Hey, this is fun. Discover what people ask. This is people also ask. Simple as that. So, what's it all about? It's been around for a long time, but they've really souped it up now, and they've got a paid for version, but this is the free version. So, you enter your topic. It can be anything to do with online marketing in our case, but whatever niche you're in, it's good to go. So if I put in how, let's say, creating an online sales page. So what do people ask about creating an online sales page? Now then, if that's what you're going to do to help people, it's good if you know what they're asking for so you can create the correct content. So let's have a look. Now it's about $15 a month if you want the basic version, which is pretty well covers everything on here. But it's free to start, and it's good, worth trying it. So the main thing here was creating an online sales page. And people ask these questions, and it's got all sorts of things that people ask. Now, it's not that what they may ask, it's what they are asking. This people also ask .ai system sends out bots, if you like, and it creates a database of everything that's being asked. So you can go deeper into something by clicking on it. You can use it for your research, and then come up with a few things that can help you create something, maybe a lead magnet, maybe a how-to report or anything like that. So how to gather testimonials, just click on that. You can either copy the question, you can search on Google, you can search on YouTube, generate an answer, generate an SEO article, that's search engine optimization article, or generate related questions. So questions related to the one you've just clicked on. So let's generate an article, and after a few seconds it will come out with an article that you can edit to your own voice. So there it is. How to gather testimonials that boost your business SEO optimized guide. And there is a little thing you can put on a blog post perhaps. So, and you can search on YouTube. Click on YouTube, it will take you to YouTube, and they're all here, all in a row, so you can pick and choose which one you like. So all in all, it's pretty basic, but how powerful is that? Now there are other things you can do as well, all these things, but I'll let you look into that. So it's people also ask.ai.